What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about XCN chain, which has pumped up just about 13% in the last 24 hours, making it just over the 4 cents target. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to. Is it going to keep going up in value? Is it going to drop back down? Is it time to invest, or is it just time to hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high it can go, and especially with 2023 just around the corner. Is this a must-have crypto in your wallet, and if so, when should you get into it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. In the last 24 hours, the market is up just over 2%, and XCN is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So over the last hour, it has dropped just about a percentage over the last day, a massive 14% up, and it all started early this morning around 5 AM, where it jumped about, let's have a look here, 10% in a space of about an hour or two, and it's going up right now as well. Over the week 5%, and over the month 15% down. It's been very volatile. Obviously we did have major drops here on the 8th of November where the whole crypto market crashed, but again it did try to recover a little bit, but now has gone back down in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 22% in the last 24 hours, or 15% now, making it $19 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on XCN. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. We are seeing more and more people trading the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, so on and so on. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing XCN at 0.04497, nearly the 5 cents target. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value in red here, 0.04287, meaning it is underperforming and not as well as it's meant to. But again, as you can see, it's not too far off from the purple line. It is very, very close. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? As you can see, we got the blue line slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is slightly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting the crypto to be more or less fluctuating at the current price range. And again, this doesn't mean it's going to be staying at the current price range consistently for the next 12-14 hours. Of course not. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value as well. As I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to XCN. So yes, I'm expecting more red candlesticks over the coming hours, but again, it's likely to recover, so more or less fluctuate around the 4 to 5 cents target over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we're looking quite bullish here. We've got the blue and the orange line looking quite positive, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking very steep, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on, when that is not the case guys. I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the next few days. I'm expecting more red candlesticks to appear over the next 3-4 days as well. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting it to drop below the 4 cents target, heading down to about 0.038 cents is what my predictions are over the next 7 to 8 days. Again, it's going to be a slow and steady drop. It's not going to be a massive drop out of nowhere. It's going to take its time, but that is where it's heading to. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We've got the blue line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and so is the orange line as well. However, they're not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the coming weeks. So let's say end of December, early January to mid-January, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, but again, I'm not expecting a major increase. I'm expecting a slow and steady increase in value over the coming weeks. So potentially heading above the 5 cents target, heading towards a 6 cents target is what I'm expecting by early to mid-January. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs with any major drops, crashes, pumps, so on. These things have a major impact on the value of not just XCN but most cryptos out there. And I will try my best to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone, but we are very close to hitting the green zone. And as I mentioned, I'm expecting us to hit the green zone by late December to early January is when I'm expecting us to head into the green zone. But again, once it does hit the green zone, it's very likely to resist and then drop back down into the red zone, just like how it's been. As you can see earlier this month in November, it's been on and off between the red and green zone, resisting and drop back down into the red zone, and next time it does hit the green zone, it is again going to resist in between the green and red zone. So fluctuating around this current price range is what I'm expecting. But yeah, so far so good, guys. Over the next few weeks, I'm expecting it to keep going up in value in a slow and steady pace. However, if there are any major changes that can have a potential impact on the value of XCN, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys predicting XCN to go in 2022. Comment down below, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. I know a lot of you guys are bullish, but a lot of you guys are also bearish on this crypto, calling it a scam, it's got a pump and dump token, so on and so on. So let me know your expectations in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also, if you guys have any other questions or any queries you guys want to ask or want me to cover in my next crypto videos, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.